children, how are you all today? Children, did you like my video of sense organs? So, in sense organs, we learnt about 5 sense organs, that is touch, sight, smell, hearing and taste. So today we are going to do one very nice activity related to the sense organs. Okay, so I hope you will like this activity. So children, now we'll move on to our next activity, and this activity is based on our sense of smell. Children, which sensory organ do we use to smell? We use our nose. So here I have few things in this tray, but I do not know what is there inside. So I am going to blindfold my eyes and then I will try to observe these things through the sense of smell. So here first of all I will wear this eye mask, okay, and then I will remove the cloth. Now here in the bowl we have few things. Now first of all I will pick bowl number 1 and I will try to smell. I think this is rice. Am I right, children? Is this rice? Now we will keep this bowl back and then I'll pick up bowl number 2. This is so strong. This is cinnamon. Am I right, children? Okay, so now next bowl. Now in this next bowl, it's quite heavy. It's a soap. Am I right, children? Now next here there is no bowl, so I will come in the front row. Now first bowl from first row. It's an onion. Am I right, children? Is it onion? Okay. Now oh, this is dishwash liquid. Am I right, children? Now we'll keep it back. And next, this is wet tissue. Am I right, children? Is it wet tissue? And then it's nail paint. Is it? Is it nail paint, children? Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Now next. Okay. This over now. Now I'm going to open my eyes and I'll check whether I did it correctly or not. Okay. So the first bowl I said was rice. Yes, then cinnamon, then soap, onion, dishwash liquid, and wet tissue, and nail paint. Yes, I did it right. The same way, children, you also can tell your mama to keep few things in front of you and hide them. Then you can blindfold your eyes and do this activity. Children, now our next activity is based on our sense of hearing. Do you know which part of our body do we use for hearing? We use our ears. Our ears are very important. It can differentiate between different type of sounds. Children, few sounds are there which we do not like to listen. For example, police siren, dog bark, and some scratching or drilling. So this type of sounds gives us anxiety, irritation and restlessness. So we cannot hear such type of sound for longer time. But there are few sounds which we love to listen. For example, music, then chirping of bird, then prayer or chanting. So this type of sounds always we like to listen because it is pleasant and it gives us peace. So there are two types of sound. Now I will show you one activity, through that you can improve your sense of hearing. So here, as you can see, I have these 4 glasses. One glass is empty. Then in this glass I have kept little bit water. Children, this water is simple plain water. I have added some color into it so that you can see it, right? So here we have little bit water in this glass. This glass is half filled and this is full. So now with the use of spoon we will try to listen the different sounds of these glasses due to the water level. So this is empty glass. This is little bit filled. Did you observe the different sounds? Because this glass is empty, this glass, this glass, this glass and this glass all are having different level of water. So it is producing different sounds. Let us listen it again. Listen this carefully, children. Now we'll try to listen the same thing with a bigger spoon. Let us listen if there is any change or not. Because the spoon is little heavy, we can listen a sound which is heavier. Now children, these are glasses, but here I have one metal glass. So let us listen the sound if I have filled water inside it. It is half filled and what type of sound it produces. And now I will try to move my spoon around the glass after banging it. Okay, did you understand about the different sounds? So this is half filled glass, but this is different type of glass and this is a metal glass. So both the glasses are making different sound. So the same way you also can take such glasses or bowls and make your own musical instrument and understand about the sounds. Okay, so this is a very good activity, children. Children, I want you all to do these activities at home. You know why? Because when you will do this activity, you will improve your sensory skills. These activities are very important. Okay, so you will enjoy this, I know. Okay, So bye for now and enjoy your days. Do these activities. Bye bye.